Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable airplane mode on your Oura Ring 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura app and then make sure that the app has been paired with your ring. And after that, we're going to go to the Today tab and then press on this ring icon on the top right of your screen. And here we have the ring airplane mode option. So once you enable that option, it's going to ask you are you sure that you want to turn on this option. So once you turn it on, it's going to be enabled, and basically what this option does is it turns off like the connection between your ring and the app, which just is basically the airplane mode. So if you want to turn it off, you are going to have to connect your ring to a charger like this, and then you're going to just wait a few seconds for the ring to reconnect, just like it says in this menu right here. So there we go, the ring has been reconnected, and now you can safely put it back on your finger, and it's going to be working as usual. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.